Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Here we are going to explore on Copilot in Dynamics 365 Sales. Copilot is an AI assistant in Dynamics 365 Sales that helps sales team members to be more productive and efficient in their daily works or their day-to-day activities. This Copilot in D365 Sales provides a chat interface that the salespersons can use to get a quick summary of their D365 records, catching up on the recent changes of their records, uh, prepare for upcoming meetings, and read the latest news about their accounts. Using the chat interface, the sellers can chat with Copilot in a natural language. They can type in their question inside the chat interface. Copilot will give a response to that query or question. And similarly, there are certain predefined prompts that the salespersons can use to get information about their D365 records. Out of the box, Microsoft provides these seven features within Copilot in D365 Sales. We have record summarization, embedded experiences, recent changes to records, information assistance, meeting preparation, email assistance, and news updates. In the upcoming slides, we will see each one in detail, how to enable each feature and how to use this feature in Dynamics 365 Sales. Now I'm in D365 Sales Hub application. To enable Copilot, we need to go to App Settings, and within App Settings, we have a separate sub area called Copilot. From here, we need to enable Copilot for D365 Sales. So currently it is turned on. If you don't want Copilot, you can turn it off as well. So this is the overall environment level setting. And then below we have this individual apps where you can enable or disable Copilot for these two sales apps separately. So currently I have turned it on for the overall environment level as well as I have turned it on for Sales Hub. And then in the right side, we have different areas: opportunities, leads, accounts, and knowledge sources. This Copilot summary is available for these three table records: opportunities, leads, and accounts. And here, when I click on any table, we will get two options. One is summary and the other one is recent changes. Here we need to mention the column names or the field names that will be used by Copilot for summary and that will be used by Copilot for providing recent changes. As part of this video, we are not going to make any customization. We are just going with the out of the box capability. So I am not going to change or update any fields in this list. And there is one more option at the top: show opportunity summary as a widget in the form. So for now, I'm enabling this checkbox as well. So whatever I am enabling it from here, I will show you in the demo as well. Similar to summary, for recent changes also, out of the box, there are certain fields or columns pre-selected. Here the interesting thing is for recent changes and for summary, we will we can pick the columns from the related the main table as well as any child or parent tables associated with that main table. In this case, we can have the columns from opportunity as well as we can have the columns from the related tables like account, contact, opportunity line, competitor, etc. So in the upcoming videos, we will see how to customize these things. But for this demo, we will just go with the out of the box capabilities. Similar to opportunity for leads also, there are certain columns pre-selected for summary and recent changes. The same for account as well. We have certain columns pre-selected for the summary of account and the recent changes of account. Now we will quickly see the first feature, that is record summarization. So with this feature, we will get a concise summary of key information from sales records such as leads, opportunities, and accounts. Now I am in a lead record inside Sales Hub. At the top, you can see this Copilot summary. So this is one place where you will get the summary, and this is available only after you have enabled this Copilot from the app settings. Otherwise, you will not see this summary section at the top of leads. And similarly, in the right side, you can click on this icon to open the Copilot interface. And from here, you just need to type summarize this lead and click on this send icon. Then immediately Copilot will generate a summary for this lead record. So we will be getting the summary at the top of lead form as well as from the chat interface in the right side pane. And here we have multiple options. We can copy this summary and we can put it in some description or notes, or we can just copy this summary and we can send this to a customer or to any of the team members. If you click on copy to email, it will open a email activity where you can add some additional details and send to the required person. Now if I click on this copy to email, you can see it is creating a new email activity, and the Copilot summary is directly populated inside this email body. And now I am in opportunity record. Similar to leads, for opportunity also, it is generating the opportunity summary at the top. As I said earlier, when we enable this Copilot from app settings, there are certain predefined columns available for summary and recent changes, right? So this summary is based on those columns which are specified under summary. So similar to leads, for opportunity also, we will get the summary at the top, and also in the right side pane, we just need to type summarize this opportunity. And for account also, we will get the same experience. We will get the summary at the top and we will get summary in the right side pane. Now coming to a contact. So contact, we have not set the summary and recent change because we didn't get option to set for contacts in the app settings, right? Now I am in contact form. Here I am not getting any out of the box Copilot summary at the top. From this, you can understand that Copilot summary is currently available for leads, opportunities, and account records. Now we will get into the embedded experience feature. So there are 7 features. Now we are in embedded experience feature. So using this feature, we will get the AI generated summaries and insights directly within the lead and opportunity forms. And this is something available only for lead and opportunity. So for this experience, you don't have to expand the top summary, or you don't have to go to the right side pad. So this provides you with the embedded experience. It will directly show you the highlights or the summary within the form itself. Now we will see how this works. Now I am in leads view. From here, I will open one of the lead record, and once the sales process is done for this lead, we will be qualifying this lead record. At the top, we have qualify button. If I click on qualify, it will give me some quick info. And then from here, if I click on qualify, currently, if you see, it is directly taking me to the opportunity. It is not providing any Copilot summary for me. But now what I will do is, I will go to app settings, and from here we have this lead plus opportunity settings. The first option is lead qualification, and here at the bottom we have this option to enable lead qualification Copilot summary. So you need to just enable this checkbox. Once a seller qualifies a lead, let Copilot summarize its key info, and you need to save this page. And now if you come back to any lead record, and if you qualify this lead record, you will immediately get this lead qualification details. And this summary is provided by Copilot. So before enabling, we didn't see this Copilot summary, but after enabling this feature, we are getting this Copilot lead qualification summary. And similarly, I will open one opportunity record. As we discussed earlier in our first feature, record summarization. So we were getting the summary at the top and also in the right side pan. But if you remember, when we enable this Copilot for opportunity, I have enabled one checkbox to provide opportunity summary at form. Because of that, we have this summary section enabled within opportunity form itself. And this summary section within form is only available for opportunity. And if you remember, that particular checkbox is only available within opportunity section only, not within lead and accounts section when we enable this Copilot in app settings. And here, when you expand this section, you will get the same summary inside your form. And this section, whenever you enable from app settings, this section will be added in opportunities default main form. But if you are using some custom opportunity forms, we need to add this component separately. So that piece we will discuss in the later videos when we go to extending of Copilot in D365. I will show you like how to add those components and how to do other extension and customizations in D365 Sales Copilot. Now we are moving to the third feature, recent changes to records. With the help of this feature, sales team members will get the recent updates, changes, details to their sales record. It will help them to stay informed about the latest developments to their records. For example, if a salesperson is owning a lead record and he is on a vacation for a week, and during that time, some other salesperson would have updated something in that lead record. And when the salesperson is back to work, when he come to this lead record and use this Copilot, he will get the summary of recent changes that happened in that lead record during his vacation. Now I'm in leads view, and this recent changes is something we have already enabled. So from the app settings, we already went to that recent changes, and you would have already seen that there were list of columns already enabled for recent changes, and based on that those columns you will get this recent changes summary in Dynamics 365. But one thing we need to ensure that to have this recent changes available, you need to enable your audit uh, details. So for these three tables, lead, opportunity, and account tables, you need to enable auditing. Only after enabling auditing for these three tables, then only you will see the recent changes. Now I am in a lead record, and in the right side, I'm just typing recent changes in this lead. Immediately, it is giving me a summary. Preferred method of contact was updated to email by Alan on this date. And it is giving a summary of all the changes that happened in this lead record. And at the bottom, I'm having a button to open audit history. So if I click on it, it will show me the audit history. And as I said earlier, this recent changes summary is based on the audit history. So to have this feature work properly, you need to enable the auditing at the organization level, and you need to enable auditing for leads, opportunities, and accounts. And also you need to have those fields enabled for auditing. Whatever the columns you mentioned in that recent changes section within app setting, right? Those columns should be enabled for auditing. So far, we have covered the three features of Copilot in D365 Sales. In the coming videos, we will cover the next set of features within Copilot in D365 Sales. Thank you for watching.